So now what we need to do is that we need to continue working on the content navigation drawer. So earlier I created the image, but we need to display buttons. We need to display tabs. So I'm going to say here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to use a scroll view. Scroll view. Using a scroll view is very important because if you don't use a scroll view, if the content is too big, the user will not be able to see all of the content. But if the screen view exists, then the user will be able to scroll and see the content. Now in the scroll view, I'm going to create two buttons. So first of all, in order to create two buttons, we need to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we need to use MD list because these tabs or buttons should be in a list. So we need to use MD list. And inside that list, we can create now the buttons. So here I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to create the first button. The first button is going to be one line list item. Again, this is a class given by Kivy, and it has the following attributes. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, the text. What do you want to display on it? For the first button, I'm going to display home. And then there are many attributes. You can use the on press. You can close the navigation drawer by using that, or you can use the on press. The second button is going to be the one line list item, and it's going to be again 1, 2, 3, 4 text. Let's display something else. Let me say here about us. About us. So this is for the scroll view here. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create the content navigation drawer class and also the home screen class because these classes are missing. So in the main app here, we need to create these two classes. Here, first I'm going to create the content class and then content navigation drawer, and it's going to extend the box layout. This is going to extend the box layout, and it's gonna do nothing. It's just gonna pass. Here I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pass. We don't need it to do anything because it already has the code here. It already has the code that we want. Second, we need to create the other class, which is home screen. So here I'm going to create another class here called home screen. I'm going to say class, which is going to be home screen. And for this home screen class, it's just going to extend the screen layout. Screen is just going to extend the screen because the home here screen uses the screen. It uses the screen. Therefore, it must extend the screen. And again, it's just gonna say here pass. We don't want it to do anything. Finally, we need to import the screen here. Here, as you can see, we have an error, so we need to import the screen. So here at the top, I'm gonna say from, and then kivy.uix screen manager import, and then we need to import the screen manager, and also we need to import the screen. So I'm going to say screen manager and comma and then screen. So make sure that you import both the screen manager and the screen.